Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make fried chicken using eggs and flour. First, prepare your chicken by cutting it into pieces of similar size, which helps everything cook evenly. Next, pat each piece completely dry with paper towels. This is crucial for achieving that perfectly crispy skin. Finally, season your chicken generously with your favorite blend of salt, pepper, and other spices. Now let's set up your dredging station. You'll need 3 separate bowls. In the first bowl, place about 2 cups of seasoned all-purpose flour. For the second bowl, whisk together 2 large eggs with a splash of milk. The third bowl will hold more seasoned flour, ready for the final coating step. This organized setup makes the process smooth. It's time to coat the chicken. First, dredge each piece thoroughly in the seasoned flour, making sure to shake off any excess. Then, dip the floured chicken into the egg mixture, allowing any extra to drip away. Finally, return the chicken to the second bowl of seasoned flour, pressing the flour onto the chicken to create a thick, even coating. Heat about 3 inches of oil in a heavy-bottomed pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place chicken pieces into the hot oil, frying in batches to avoid overcrowding. Cook each side for 6 to 8 minutes, or until it's a beautiful golden brown and cooked through. Drain the finished chicken on a wire rack for maximum crispiness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.